Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Rides Review Hub. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In the golden era of two-stroke dominance, one motorcycle quietly rode into history. It was not the fastest, it was not the flashiest, but it had heart. And for millions, it was the first taste of freedom. This is the story of the 1977 Yamaha Deluxe 100. Back in the mid-70s, Yamaha was rapidly expanding its footprint across the globe. While many enthusiasts remember Yamaha for high-performance sport bikes or dirt-shredding motocross legends, the company also had its sights set on something simpler, reliable, affordable commuting. Enter the Yamaha Deluxe 100, first introduced in the early 1970s and notably remembered for its 1977 variant. This was a small displacement, two-stroke motorcycle designed primarily for developing markets, particularly in Asia, the Middle East, and parts of Africa. It was more than just a motorcycle. It was a symbol of aspiration, progress, and everyday utility. Technical specs: simplicity that worked. Engine 97cc, air-cooled, two-stroke, single-cylinder. Power output approximately 9 horsepower. Transmission 4-speed constant mesh gearbox. Top speed around 90 to 100 km per hour depending on rider and terrain. Fuel system carburetor fed, oil injection system. Brakes drum brakes front and rear. Weight approximately 90 to 95 kilograms. Dry fuel tank capacity around 9 liters. Despite its modest displacement, the Deluxe 100 was a sprightly little machine. Its two-stroke engine gave it a peppy response, and it could easily zip through tight urban streets. Yamaha's Autolube oil injection system meant riders did not have to manually mix oil and fuel, a huge convenience at the time. And for a motorcycle so light and compact, the Deluxe 100 held up remarkably well, even under heavy daily use. Design and features of the Yamaha Deluxe 100 was honest. No chrome overload, no fairings, no unnecessary fluff. Just clean lines, classic round headlamp, a sturdy single-piece seat, and twin rear shocks. It had analog gauges, a basic speedometer and odometer, and simple switchgear. It may not sound like much today, but for the time, this setup was bulletproof. Riders appreciated the ergonomics, upright seating, easy controls, and lightweight handling. Whether you were 16 and just learning to ride, or 60 and heading to the market, this bike felt natural. Cultural impact. A bike of the people, the Yamaha Deluxe 100 gained a cult following, especially in countries like India, the Philippines, and parts of Africa. It was dependable, affordable, and easy to maintain, a combination that made it the go-to bike for students, workers, small business owners, and even rural farmers. In some regions, people still refer to it lovingly as the Yamaha 100 or simply Deluxe. Its simplicity also meant it was easy to repair. Spare parts were cheap and widely available, and even novice mechanics could work on the engine. It was not unusual to see a Deluxe 100 being used for everything from daily commutes to carrying goods, sometimes overloaded, but still going strong. Mechanics dream. One of the reasons the 1977 Deluxe 100 remained in use for decades is its mechanical simplicity. Two-stroke engines have fewer moving parts compared to four-stroke engines, making them less prone to breakdowns and much easier to rebuild. Regular maintenance usually involved cleaning the carburetor, changing the spark plug, and checking the oil pump, all of which could be done at home. Its rugged steel frame and minimal electronics meant it could survive rough terrain and long distances without complaint. In many places, this bike outlived newer models with more complicated systems. Legacy: where is it now? Today, the Yamaha Deluxe 100 is considered a vintage collector's item in some circles. In others, it's still a workhorse seen buzzing around town, decades after its first registration. Some owners have lovingly restored their bikes, adding chrome touches, repainting tanks, or even upgrading electrical systems. Others run them just as they came, a testament to Yamaha's build quality. While Yamaha eventually replaced the Deluxe 100 with newer four-stroke models like the YB100 or YBR series, the charm of the 1977 model remains unmatched for many enthusiasts. The Yamaha Deluxe 100 was not a machine built to break records. It was built to break barriers. It gave independence to those who could not afford a car. It became part of daily life, woven into the rhythm of cities and countryside alike. In a world full of noise, the 1977 Yamaha Deluxe 100 whispered a simple truth: reliability matters. And sometimes, the best ride is the one that gets you home. If you enjoyed this old model classes bike review, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more deep dives into classic motorcycles from around the world. Until next time, keep riding, goodbye.